Hello everybody and welcome again to a new do-it-yourself at home nail art. Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video, and today we're gonna do something new. Oh my god, that's so exciting! I already tried it one time. You can already see this nail on my Instagram, but yeah, we're gonna play with the dual forms that are gonna give us this beautiful Russian almond shape. I believe that is the correct name for it. But yeah, this is already one that I made. I made this one with the Model 1 builder in a bottle. So today I'm gonna try it with polygel. So yeah, I'm really praying to the nail lords that it's gonna work. So I already take out the correct sizes dual form. So we're gonna use number 10 for the pinky finger, 6 for the ring finger, number 5 for the middle finger, number 4 for the pointer, and number 3 for the thumb. So these are the dual forms. You can get them on AliExpress. So yeah, I'm really happy with it for so far that I can judge, because I only made one nail for now with those. You already have also seen on my Instagram that I also have another shape. The yellow nail, I'm gonna do a separate video for the other shape, because the other one are just tips. And these are full cover nails. See? So this is the thumb. I must say though, I don't know if you have a really wide nail plate. I don't know if these are gonna be suitable for you. I don't know, to be honest. I don't know, because yeah, I don't know. So yeah, I guess you need to find somebody with a wide nail plate, because I have teeny tiny baby nail plates, okay? So, I also want to play with my Boo Boo Emerald glitter. This one is for the month of May, like you can see. I also gonna use some of the very first mixes that Boo Boo Glitter Glory ever made. I'm so upset that she is not selling those. Guys, if you like what you see with this mix, please let it know in the comments, so we can ask her to bring those glitters on her webshop, because I freaking love them. Look how magical it is. Oh my goodness. I think it's gonna be really beautiful with the emerald, because the green in it. I also already digged out some of my stones. Like, you know, there are real Swarovskis in the Boo Boo glitter mixes. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna use the pointer bags today. We will see. I also digged out those beautiful clear flat bags. Gorgeous. And I also took out black spinel for August, because yeah, I think I want to incorporate some black also in those nails. We will see. We will see. By the way, I'm gonna use my Nila. One of my viewers named her that way. I believe it. Oh, Cat12-123. That's your name, right? Honey, let me know in the comments that you are here, okay? Because you named her. So yeah, we're gonna use Nila today as my model. She has a handolly hand. This is a hand with minor flaws. You can buy them for a lot cheaper than when you go for the perfect hands on handolly. I think that's a really good way from her. Like, you know, when you work with silicone, guys, you always gonna have like projects that are not 100% perfect. And I think it's a great way that she is keep on selling them, but for a lot less money, you know what I mean? So everybody can afford them. A great practice hand. So I also want to work with my new Tobe Glam polygel. I am so sorry, in my unboxing video I was pronouncing it wrong all the time, but it is Tobe Glam, okay? Tobe Glam. So I digged out 2 nail colors. I don't know if I both want to use them, but yeah, we for sure gonna use one. I also gonna use my Tobe Glam brush, of course. And we also, of course, I'm gonna use my Tobe Glam top coat and a base coat in this video. So I already buffed my nails that I put in my Nila. So yeah, let's take me some base coat so I can dump it out. And let's begin, shall we? So I have a little plate here. It's just because I like to work with my polygel with the base coat instead of alcohol. because alcohol, you can say whatever you want, but it's always gonna break down your polygel just a little teeny tiny bit. And I don't like that for my polygel, so yeah, that's the reason why I use a base coat, okay? So, I think I want to start first with the thumb, because I want to try something out. And I don't know in how far this will going to work. So, let's turn my dolly, Manila. Okay, so I'm gonna go with a sweet talk today for my nail bed. Let's try it. I'm gonna take my dual form for my thumb. First I'm gonna coat my brush in a little bit of my base coat. I always do that. So my brush is nice and coated like that. And now I am ready to start. So fingers crossed, because like I already told you guys, it's the first time me playing with polygel with this shape. I already know that it's working with builder in a bottle, but yeah, I have no idea how the polygel is gonna react in those nails. So I do know that I need quite a bit, because like you see, it's a sculpted nail, see? So you're already gonna have your apex in there, so that's a nice thing. So make sure you flat it down, especially with the cuticle. Like, we want to try and make like kind of a nail bed with this polygel. So make sure, turn it over so you can check it out. Because there are two ways that you can do the thing that I'm trying to do here. You can try to do it in one go. So apply your nail bed, cure it on the finger, pop the puppet off, file it, and then fill the rest of the puppet and put it back on the nail. You know what I mean? I think I want to try, I don't know, we will see guys, we will see. I think I want it to go a little bit lower. So yeah, keep in mind this is just like a practice video, so if I'm messing it up, it's not too much of a big deal, if you know what I mean. But of course we want to try to become a nice set, right? But this polygel is really amazing guys to work with. I really do recommend it. If you have seen my first video, yeah, then you can already know that I really love it a lot. Okay, I think that looks pretty nice. What do you think? So when you see that your brush starts to stick, just pick up a little bit more of your base coat, and bam, like you can see, we have no issue anymore. It's not sticking anymore. So yeah, let's keep it straight like that. What do you guys think? Pretty nice, right? Okay, I think this side I need to make it just a little bit higher. Let me go and do my base coat. It's not really matching up with the other side. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, that's a lot better, I think. Okay, I think we're gonna keep it with that. So let's pop it up on the nail. carefully bring it down. I'm gonna flash cure it just a little bit, so I can still clean it out on the tip area, but I also want it to be secured. So do you see where I hold my lamp? I hope you can see it. Do you see that? I'm really holding it more on the finger than I do on the nail. I just want it to be secured on the nail, that's all. Okay, let's see if my little trick worked, if it is still moldable underneath. So I'm gonna turn my Nila over like that. Okay, so that looks pretty nice, I think. Go back in my base coat and let's see. I think I can even stretch this part out a little bit more, and like you can see, indeed the polygel is still nice and soft. So yeah, this trick is definitely working. The trick with the light. Okay, I want to make sure we have a nice nail bed. Okay, so I'm gonna fiddle a little bit more with this nail, cure it, and you're gonna see me back for the next part, okay? Goodness, look at that! I had no idea, but there are little surprises in this one. I thought it was a fine mix, but it's not. Do you see all those cute flowers in there? Oh my goodness, that's very cute. What we're gonna do, so I did cure this thumb already. So this is how this one is looking. So now I'm gonna take some base coat, put it in my form, in my dual form, so I can place some of the beautiful emerald glitter in this dual form. Because remember, if you want to do like a design in the dual form, you always need to start with what you want to see on top, okay? So like in my case, I want to use this beautiful, beautiful, amazing glitter. So I need to make sure that I start with applying my glitter, and then I can fill it up with more polygel. Okay guys, there we go. Wish me luck. I really hope the design is gonna turn out amazing, but I guess we only gonna know when I'm done, right? Okay, so this part I'm gonna speed it up just a little bit, otherwise you're gonna sit here for a long time because I am not the fastest when I apply my glitter, okay? I'm sorry, I'm not an expert, just so you know. Okay, let's take a look. Like you can see in the middle, I'm missing just a little tiny bit more, so let's add a little bit more of this beautiful glitter. And now we are coming in with that beautiful fine glitter from Boo Boo. Oh my gosh, I really hope she's gonna start selling it. I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry, but I just love it so much. Look at that. Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness, look at that. That is a perfect armband, don't you think? Okay, so now we're gonna cure that for just like 30 seconds. Make sure you also cure it at the front so everything is nice and hard. And now we're gonna go in with the Pure from Tobe Glam, and oh my god, can you even see that I applied the polygel in that dual form? That's how freaking clear this polygel is. Are you kidding me guys? Oh my goodness, I don't know if you can see, but I am really struggling even to see where I need to pat, because it's too hard to see where the polygel is at the moment. I am not kidding guys, I am not kidding. I am loving this clear so much. Yeah, I really recommend you to try this brand out. I know it is a new brand, but wow, definitely a new player in the market right there. Okay, so now we're gonna give it a flash cure and also put it in the little lamp, and let's reveal. Are you ready? We're gonna pop in 3, 2, 1. Pop it all off. There we go. And oh my goodness, did I do that? Oh, I'm in love with this nail. Oh my goodness, look at that. And that nail still needs to be filed. So let's jump right in there. I just filmed like a little short part of me filing it on both sides. And also I gonna film a little part how I am buffing the nail. But oh my gosh, have you seen that shape? Wow, that is incredible. Just incredible. Let me just tell you. I totally was never expecting that, because if I did, I for sure was choosing out a different finger and not the thumb. Yeah, remember how I say in the beginning I'm gonna start with the thumb because I don't know how I am gonna do it with the first nail. Oh my goodness, I feel so sorry that I have not done it on one of the main fingers, because look at that nail and look at that top coat. Oh my goodness, it's a nice thick top coat. So yeah, like now I don't have any bumps because I used the dual form, but if you sculpt your nail yourself or you use like glitters on top, you always have that little bumpy feeling, right? Well, with this top coat, yeah, I promise you, your bumps and lumps are gonna be gone. Yeah, totally happy with this brand. Okay, so let's go in with my rhinestone glue from Makartt and place some beautiful clear crystals. I also received those crystals from Boo Boo Glitter Glory. You can also find them back in her embellishment kits. So yeah, they are gorgeous. You're gonna see it in a minute. Like you can see, I like to faff with my crystals quite a bit. I am so sorry. By the way, guys, yeah, because I am faffing just a little bit with the crystals right here. But in the meanwhile, I have a question for you. Have you seen my last video, the video before this one? Because I need your help, guys. Yes, we do. We need your help. I want to try and start something new on my channel. I want to interact a lot more with you guys. So I was thinking, how fun would it be if I make like one nail to start a set off, and you guys can help me design the rest of the nails. Like, yeah, I still need 4 nails to do, right? So that's gonna be 4 more videos. Keep in mind, I want to make nails that are fitting with the nail that I'm making right here. So the same colors from glitters, nail bed. But you can add colors if you like to. You can add different colors, crystals if you like to. Yeah, if you want to know how you can be a part of this little thing, go and watch the video before this one. I really did my best to explain everything. I really filmed that video late at night. You can see it's a little bit wobbly because I filmed it with one hand and I was drawing with the other hand. And you know what I mean? Yep, that's what they're calling multitasking, right? But yeah, I think it would be amazing and oh, so much fun to create a set together. And guys, if you guys like that concept, if you like that idea, I definitely gonna do more sets like that. I can make like a whole playlist with like nail sets created by my subscribers or something. We just need to find like a cute name. So if you have any idea, if you want me to get this along, this idea, if you do have a cute name to give on that playlist, definitely let me know. And yeah, we are all done. These are the reveal pictures. I hope you like it, guys. Geef deze beertjes een brul. Rawr, and stay sassy. Bye bye, everybody. I love you all. Mwah.